In order to use your new Shopify theme, you'll need to upload that zip file into your Shopify admin. So to do that, head on over to Online Store in the left-hand navigation. And by default, you will be taken to the Themes page. So let's say you've gone ahead and purchased a theme and you've got that zip file. Head on over to the Upload Theme button. And then browse through your file folders and upload that zip file. Once you see the zip file, go ahead and click on Upload File. And now your zip file has been uploaded. However, that's not the last step. You need to now publish the theme so that it shows up on your eStore. To do that, hover over and click on Actions. You can preview this new theme, or you can just publish it right away. So let's go ahead and preview just to see what it looks like. And here we can see the new theme in action. But let's head back to the Shopify admin. And now that we see what it looks like and we're happy with it, we'll go ahead and publish. And it will ask, are you sure you want to publish this new theme? It will replace your current theme. So let's go ahead and publish. And there you can see the new warehouse theme has been installed and published. So if we head on back to our store and refresh the page, we now see the new theme has been installed and it's ready to go.